What's up, guys? Today we are out. We're going to be riding. It's me and Tyler today. Nobody else was man enough to come out in the cold, but I got my new bar set up. Videos coming soon if they're not out already. So really nice setup, new clutch lever, one finger pull, really nice. Tyler just got his new rear sets on as well. So yeah, there's ZZ Customs. They're white and they got like the grip tape on them and everything. Really simple, but they look pretty good. And we had a little problem with the shifter, but we got it solved, so not too bad. But I'm really excited about these bars. They're so wide. I feel like I should have this whole parking spot or lane to myself. It honestly reminds me a lot of the stock bars on an FC07. That's a church. I'm not even going to try second gear, so you can forget that one. And grass up. Stop sign. You missed a stop sign. He's going to wheelie into the sunset. Oh, so beautiful. Oh my God, when did you work on that? When did you do that? I never knew you could do that. Holy crap, that's a new one. It's what we'll probably end up having to do, go up from area to area. Just too good. You're just too good. You're too good, man. You're too good. Too good. Over the railroad tracks. Oh, you got it.
Please disperse. Nothing to see here.
I mean, there's a good lot, but right next to the courthouse. VTEC kicked in. I mean, it is a Honda. It's such a dramatic difference, though. So since I got the rear sub cage now, try a stand up, halfway stand up at least. Holy crap, that's so scary. I should have stretched. Let me actually stretch first. There we go. There we go.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. Now this one.
That was my best one so far. I'm slowly getting it. Yeah. You just like bounce back and forth, and I'm just like pretty much let it drop a little, then I pull it, then I drop it a little, then I pull it. You kind of like hit the brake with it. Oh, did you see me push back down? Oh. Getting there. Oh, my freaking wrist hurts. Just don't drop it. Ow. What a weird bike. Nice. So what do you think about the clutch and everything? Feels great? Nice. There you go. All right, had some fun on this road. We're gonna drive around and or ride around and see if we can find another decent road. Trying to practice on my stand-ups, but definitely very awkward, but definitely getting the hang of it. I'm just getting cramps, dude. It freaking hurts. This is how we normally ride when I ride with Tyler. I'm on the bike and he's just in a wheelie the whole time. All the time. Down. That girl on the trampoline, she's like, oh my god. He's doing a wheelie past the playground.
Oh, look out! There's a dog chasing you!
Dude, that dog was so close. That whole situation's gone on and you're still up on one wheel. Yeah. 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 Feels pretty rough. Oh, you mean that? I didn't even see that. I'd hate to jump that thing. Yeah. Most definitely. A little bit of snow action. See? The snow did come through. Oh my god, it's straight ice over here. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's straight ice. Oh! Oh, you caught a little snow right there. Super slippery. Into the sun. Beetle right there. Next to a freaking funeral going on. Good job, Tyler. There's a funeral going on and you're doing a wheelie. Oh. I'm gonna take a left right here.